Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking with you about Washington Federal Bank, and more specifically how you can order checks for your Washington Federal Bank account. First, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your Washington Federal Bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your web browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox. Whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Washington Federal Bank website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, washingtonfederal.com. You can also check the description for the link to Washington Federal Bank. So the first way to order your replacement checks is going to be by logging on to your Washington Federal Bank account online. To do this, you're going to click the Sign In button located at the top of the home screen towards the right-hand corner. This button is a green button that has a lock icon inside of it with the words Sign In. So you'll click that, and that brings this little drop-down window where you can enter your username and your password. Now, if you don't have a username and password, there's an Enroll button at the bottom of that little window that you can click on, and then just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're signed in, you're going to go to Banking Options and then Order Online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Washington Federal Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your Washington Federal debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find this phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Washington Federal Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way to order checks is going to be through a third-party vendor. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Washington Federal Bank. I already have a Google tab open, and I've typed into the search bar order replacement checks for Washington Federal Bank. What this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order checks. A couple of these websites are Bradford Exchange Checks and Checks Unlimited. Both of those are good examples of websites that you can use. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendor websites to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Washington Federal Bank account number and routing number. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on Washington Federal Bank.